Hey guys, welcome back. Maybe you have seen my short video on Instagram, or maybe you've even checked out my Reddit, and there was a short video of me driving this car and it was making a very weird noise. After having received a few comments, it turned out that the transmission, the gearbox, was running very low on oil, which is never a good sign, and therefore it was making this weird noise. So in this video I would like to shortly explain how I drained the oil and refilled the oil, and in the end it was a very straightforward and smooth process. However, as I still have a spare transmission in my basement, it's the spare from this car actually that I had changed a few months ago. So I did a test run because I just didn't want to read up on it or watch some YouTube videos on how to do that. So I was trying to do that myself in the test run, and the test run went very smoothly and very quickly. Obviously the gearbox isn't attached to the car, it's loose in the basement, so the access is way better than under the car. So draining the oil is a fairly quickly done process, and you drain the oil by using this Allen key and put something under the car to drain it. And in order to refill the oil, you need this tool. Unfortunately, the bolt in order to refill it is this shape. Most of the bolts are hexagonal, so I didn't have this tool, and I tried to buy it in 3 different stores. Unfortunately, neither of those stores had anything in stock or were able to help me, so I looked for it on the internet, and I found it very quickly, ordered it, and this morning it arrived. So not even 24 hours later I received the ordered tool, so thanks for that. So today I was able to finish the work that I tested yesterday on the spare transmission. So after the test run it went very easily. I drained the oil that was in the gearbox. There wasn't very much of it left, therefore I am very happy that the transmission gearbox didn't take any damage, because I could drive here, record this video, and shifting the gears is all right now, engine braking is all right now. So I guess everything went according to plan. I learned how to refuel the transmission with oil, not with fuel. And I'm very glad that I managed that myself without going to a workshop, so I saved money and time there. All in all, this cost me maybe 50 euros. The oil, 1 liter, was around 15 euros. The Allen key was 5 euros, and the weird key for the refill bolt on the gearbox was 18 euros. So everything was fairly cheap and quickly done, and I guess that's it for this short little update. The car is now running. The technical inspection is actually this month, so I will make an appointment pretty soon, so there will be a follow-up video if the car passed. Last year was no problem, so hopefully this year won't be a problem as well. Unfortunately, I believe that there's a problem with the wheel bearing in the back, on the right in the back of the car. Maybe that's just a minor issue, not a major issue that I have to fix in order to get the okay, but we'll see how this turns out. Anyway, thank you for watching. You know what to do, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye. Unfortunately, I think that the rear wheel bearing might be causing some issues.